Pic la Selle, a majestic Haitian landmark. Pic la Selle, the highest mountain in Haiti, stands majestically at an elevation of 2,680 meters. Located in the Majestic la Selle mountain range, this peak not only serves as a geographical landmark but also embodies the rich cultural and ecological tapestry of Haiti. Its breathtaking views, diverse ecosystems, and significance to local communities make it a compelling subject of study and admiration. Pic la Selle is situated in the southeastern region of Haiti, near the capital city of Port-au-Prince. The mountain is part of a larger geological formation characterized by limestone and volcanic rocks. The rugged terrain features steep slopes, deep valleys, and a variety of geographical formations that contribute to its unique landscape. The mountain's formation can be traced back millions of years, shaped by tectonic activity and erosion. The result is a striking environment that includes not only Pic la Selle itself but also surrounding peaks, valleys, and lush forests. The area is characterized by a temperate climate at higher elevations, contrasting with the tropical climate found at lower altitudes. Pic la Selle is a vital ecological zone that supports a wide range of flora and fauna. The mountain is home to a diverse range of plant species, many of which are endemic to Haiti. The lower slopes are covered with tropical forests, while the higher elevations feature cloud forests, which are characterized by persistent mist and high humidity. In terms of wildlife, the region is inhabited by various species, including birds, mammals, and reptiles. Birdwatchers often flock to Pic la Selle to observe unique avian species, such as the Hispaniolan endemic birds. The mountain's varied ecosystems provide a crucial habitat for these species, many of which are threatened due to habitat destruction and environmental changes. For the local communities, Pic la Selle holds both cultural and historical significance. It is often a site of spiritual importance, with many local legends and stories intertwined with its presence. The mountain is a symbol of resilience and strength for the Haitian people, often representing the struggles and triumphs of their history. Additionally, Pic la Selle is a site for various cultural practices and festivals. Local communities engage in rituals that honor the mountain, celebrating its beauty and the resources it provides. Traditional knowledge about the mountain and its ecosystems has been passed down through generations, highlighting the strong connection between the people and their environment. In recent years, Pic la Selle has gained attention as a destination for hikers and ecotourists. The mountain offers several trails that vary in difficulty, appealing to both novice and experienced hikers. The journey to the summit rewards adventurers with panoramic views of the surrounding landscape, including the Caribbean Sea on clear days. Hiking Pic la Selle is not just about the physical challenge. It also provides an opportunity to experience the rich biodiversity and stunning scenery. Many hikers take the time to appreciate the unique flora and fauna along the trails, making it a rewarding experience for nature lovers. Ecotourism in the area is still in its nascent stages, but there is potential for growth. Sustainable tourism practices can help protect the environment while providing economic opportunities for local communities. By promoting responsible travel, visitors can contribute to the conservation of Pic la Selle and its surroundings. Despite its beauty and significance, Pic la Selle faces several environmental challenges. Deforestation, primarily due to agricultural expansion and illegal logging, poses a significant threat to the delicate ecosystems of the region. As forests are cleared, soil erosion increases, impacting water quality and the overall health of the environment. Climate change is another pressing issue. Changes in temperature and precipitation patterns can affect the biodiversity of the area, leading to shifts in species distributions and potentially resulting in the loss of endemic species. The communities surrounding Pic la Selle are also vulnerable to the impacts of climate change, which can exacerbate existing challenges related to agriculture and water resources. Pic la Selle is much more than just the highest peak in Haiti. It is a symbol of the country's natural beauty, cultural heritage, and environmental challenges. As a site of rich biodiversity and cultural significance, it plays a crucial role in the lives of local communities. The future of Pic la Selle depends on the collective efforts of local citizens, conservationists, and visitors who appreciate its unique beauty. By promoting sustainable practices and fostering a deeper understanding of the mountain's significance, there is hope that Pic la Selle will continue to inspire and serve as a vital resource for generations to come. The mountain stands not only as a testament to Haiti's natural wonders but also as a reminder of the importance of preserving the environment for future generations.